Take this, auntie. If someone sees me here, it won't be right. I'm leaving. Daughter, I don't like you to trouble again and again. Again, that same thing, auntie. I'm also like your daughter, na? Okay, I will leave. Okay? From where are you coming? And what is this in your hands? No, nothing, daughter-in-law. I can see this clearly. You're hiding something. What is inside it? Actually, this is my medicine. I went to buy that. Medicine? From where you get the money to buy medicine? I had with me. I got a pension, na? I bought that from that money. Oh wow! You got your pension and you didn't tell us. Now I understood. Every month you make an excuse of disease and eat medicine, right? No, daughter. I'm not making excuses. I'm really not well. Fine. You took your medicines, na? Come on, give me rest of the money. Daughter-in-law, Sanju told me that you guys won't take my money off pension, but without informing Sanju, every month you take my pension's money. Look, I also have expenses. What expense do you have? Sanju is the one who is taking care of all your expenses. So why do you need money? Listen to me carefully. No need to argue with me. You know na, Sanju works according to me. If I will tell him na, throw you out of this home, so he will throw you out. It's good for you. Whatever I'm saying, do that. Now go. Prepare a cup of tea for me. I'm feeling so much headache. Now it's fine, daughter. Do you know how much I was worried? This phone was not working. I was not able to hear my worship songs. Hey, you could have told me earlier. I would have fixed it earlier only. You? What are you doing here? Swara, I'm just leaving. But why did you come here? Now it's my home. And how dare you come here behind my back? Daughter, I called her. You? Why did you call? And whom you asked and call? Okay. You want to snatch everything from me, na? No, daughter, there is nothing like that. Tell me the truth. You are doing mother-in-law against me, na? Maybe you're meeting Sanju behind my back? Swara, what are you saying this? There is nothing like that. And after your marriage, I never even talked to Sanju. So tell me na, what are you doing at my home? And how can I believe that you're saying the truth? Swara, why will I lie? Because you want to throw me out of this home and you want to come back in Sanju's life. But I won't let it happen. You are ex of Sanju and I'm wife of Sanju. Swara, there is nothing like that. I don't have to do anything with Sanju.
Riya, what are you doing here?
Sanju, she comes daily behind my back and she's doing mother-in-law against me. I think she wants to throw me out of this home. Stop this drama. I don't have to do anything with your life. Yes, son, she just came today. She never comes daily.
But mom, why is she here? Our relationship was over, right? Now I am married to Swara.
I'm not here to maintain a relationship with you. And I'm not here to say things to your mother against your wife. So tell me now, why have you come to this home? I had got auntie's phone repaired, which you called an unnecessary expense and refused, saying that, why do you need phone?
Did you say that to mom?
Or else what? She doesn't give any medicines to mom. This is an unnecessary expense for her, and as well, she treats mother like a maid. She also keeps money from mother-in-law's pension.
Whatever she is saying, is it true?
No, Sanju. Why are you believing on her? She is lying. You know na how much liar she is? When she was with you, she had an affair with someone else. I only told you about all this. You left her and got married to me. And now na, she's not happy looking at us both. That's why she's doing dramas. Am I lying? You are a liar, Swara, who did all the drama of my affair and separated Sanju and me. And now treating mother-in-law as a maid. Sanju, Riya is saying true. Swarana has really stopped my medicine and whole day she makes me work like a maid. And when you're back at home, she behaves to be so decent in front of you. That's why I was not able to tell you anything.
Swara, you did this to my mom?
Son, she had made me long for every small thing. She told me your son is in my control. Whatever I'll tell him, he will do that. This is good that Ria helped me. Otherwise, I was so much troubled.
I didn't expect this from you. What was the need to pretend like this? Now I cannot tolerate you in this house. Even for a moment, get out of my house.
No, Sanju, please don't do this. I know I have made a mistake. I won't repeat this again. I will apologize to mother-in-law. I will live properly. Please forgive me. If you will throw me out, then where will I go?
You see where you will go. Ria is better than you. She is taking care of my mom without any relation. And you are not doing anything even though you are daughter-in-law. Pack your things and get out of here.
Mother-in-law, I will also leave. You take care of yourself.
Please wait. I have lost you once before it, and I don't want to lose you again. And please forgive me that I got influenced by someone else. I did not trust you and gave you divorce. I'm sorry for what I did. Will you marry me again?
But Sanju, daughter, say him yes. You both will be so happy together.